Facebook business page setup tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Facebook, and after that on Facebook you will be able to find the option of pages on the left hand side panel. Just simply click on it. If you are on mobile device, just simply go to your menu, and over there you will be able to find pages. Just simply select pages, and after that you will be able to find the option of create new page. Simply click on it, then wait for it to load. After that, it will ask you to provide some details about your business page, like the name of your business, the category, and the bio for your business. After that, you will be able to create the page. And now, after creating your page, you can set up some more details like the profile picture and how you want your page to look, and every sort of details can be utilized after that. You can also change the view of your page, how it would look on a mobile device and on PC, by just clicking on the top icons of PC and mobile, and this way you would be able to set up the business page for your Facebook. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.